Welcome back to my channel. This is K from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox King Kong 2 Pro controller from Gulikit. King Kong controller is a wireless controller designed for use with the Nintendo Switch and PC gaming system. This is a product specification in the box. The controller connects to device using Bluetooth 4.0. Has a Bluetooth range up to 10 meters. Some features description in the back of the box. Okay, it is time to open the box. I bought this controller because of electromagnetic stick. Basically, it's no drifting sticks. I don't know if it is true or not. You can see the controller directly after open the box. They give you the plastic case for carrying the controller. Inside the box there is a Gulikit sticker, Gulikit product catalog, and the manual books. They claim the battery can last for 25 hours in the full charge. Some reviewers said the battery can last for only 8 hours. The battery capacity is 1000 mAh. It's charged using the Type-C to Type-A cable. Let's see the controller. The controller inside the plastic carrying case. There are extra space in the case to put Gulikit power pack light. The plastic is not too hard, but I think enough to carrying the controller. This is the appearance of the Gulikit King Kong 2 Pro controller. This controller cost me around $46.5. I think this is a great controller for the price. Not to mention this is a third-party controller. The build quality is not a joke. The controller is designed to be ergonomic and comfortable to hold. It has a motion control and vibration feedback. The joystick made of excellent conductive rubber. It is nice to touch. The button designed to be the anti-stuck button. This controller compatible for Switch, Windows, Android, Mac OS, and iOS. You can click the button to switch between the device. There's texture on the grip to make it non-slippery. Let's see how heavy the controller is. 256.2 grams. Let's connect the controller to Nintendo Switch. You can see how easy to connect to Nintendo Switch. I will try to connect to Android phone. Switch the controller mode to Android. Then Bluetooth pairing to the Xbox wireless controller. I don't know why the name is Xbox controller, but it is what it is. Then you can control the handphone via the controller. I will try to play the game with the controller. This is a Call of Duty game in the handphone.
Capture the objectives. Lost the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. Keep on them. Winning this one. We're almost there. Keep it up.
That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.